Hey everyone, my name is Heather from Food Love and Family. Thanks for joining me today. I am going to be making some air fryer roasted pumpkin seeds. It's fall, so why not some pumpkin seeds? They are great to have around as a snack and they are super easy to make. Today I'm just going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how to make them or how to roast them in your air fryer, but you can also roast them very easily in the oven, so I will leave directions for that in the comment section. Let me know how you enjoy them, and if you love food as much as me and want to keep seeing some recipes, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks.
Grab your pumpkin. I'm using a small size pumpkin. And then take your knife and point it away from you. Don't want any accidents. I like to cut all around the top, just kind of connecting the lines. And then once you're done, you can pull the top off. So you're going to scoop out all of the seeds and just place them directly into your colander. Make sure you try to get the pulp of the pumpkin off the seeds as best as you can. It just makes it so much easier once you start cleaning them under the water. I then like to take my knife and run it along the inside of the pumpkin. This helps detach the seeds from the inside, and then you can go back in with your hand and grab the seeds much easier. Now that you have all the seeds out of your pumpkin, run it under some cold water and really be sure to get all of that pumpkin pulp off the seeds. Next, we're going to pour the seeds in some salted boiling water. I like to add a little bit of salt to give the seeds extra flavor. And the reason we're boiling them is it just helps to cook them a little bit inside so they're easier to eat once they're done frying. And I let these boil for about 10 minutes. Gonna drain them again, making sure to get all that water off of them. And then we're going to place them on a paper towel. I just put mine on a cookie sheet and let them dry out for at least 20 minutes. You want these seeds to be pretty dry before you put them in the air fryer. While they're drying, I'm going to mix together olive oil and seasoned salt. And this is going to be the coating for the pumpkin seeds. You can really use any spice you like, or even like cinnamon and sugar, just whatever you prefer. All right, now that they're dry, we're going to add them into the olive oil mixture and stir the seeds around so they're all coated. Next, we're going to dump them into the air fryer basket and try to spread them out as best you can. This helps the air circulate around them and get a nice, even roast. We're going to set our air fryer for 360 degrees in 15 minutes and then let them cook. They are all done. So good for a snack. Let me know how you guys enjoy them in the comments.